The Supcase UB Grip Case stands out as one of the most thoughtfully designed cases I've tested for the Pixel 10 device. What immediately caught my attention was the innovative camera control integration with 46 pure copper conductors that deliver incredibly smooth sliding motion. It makes capturing photos feel effortless and precise, which is exactly what you want from a flagship phone like this. The frosted black back strikes the perfect balance between style and practicality. It looks sleek without being a fingerprint magnet, while the shock-absorbent TPU bumpers provide excellent drop protection. I've put this case through its paces, and it handles everyday bumps and drops with ease. What really sets this case apart is the built-in MagSafe ring that doubles as both a kickstand and ring holder. I found myself using it constantly for hands-free video calls and media viewing. The grip security it provides is a game changer for such a large phone, giving you confidence when handling the Pixel 10 device one-handed. Installation couldn't be simpler thanks to the one-piece snap-on design. No wrestling with multiple components or confusing instructions. The precise cutouts maintain full access to all ports and buttons, while MagSafe compatibility means all your existing accessories work perfectly. At this price point, the one-year warranty from Supcase adds peace of mind that many competitors don't offer. While it's not the slimmest case on the market, the added functionality more than justifies the minimal bulk. If you want protection that doesn't compromise on features, the UB Grip Case delivers exactly what the Pixel 10 device deserves.